Welcome to Lesson 3 of Model 3 on ethical considerations. As artificial intelligence integrates deeper into our societies and industries, it brings with it not just innovation, but also significant ethical challenges that we must address to ensure responsible development and application. In this era of rapid technological advancement, the ethical implications of AI are increasingly critical. As developers and users of AI technology, we face crucial questions about bias, transparency, and privacy. AI systems, mirroring the data they are trained on, can perpetuate existing biases, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. This makes striving for fairness in AI applications an essential task. Furthermore, the decision-making processes within AI systems can often be obscure. Enhancing transparency helps demystify these processes for users, fostering trust and accountability. Privacy concerns are also paramount as AI systems handle vast amounts of personal data. Ensuring robust data protection measures are in place is key to respecting user privacy and securing sensitive information. To tackle these ethical challenges, a comprehensive and proactive approach is necessary. Adopting inclusive data practices helps reduce biases by training AI models on diverse and representative datasets. This ensures fairer outcomes and minimizes discriminatory impacts. Developing and adhering to ethical AI frameworks provides a structured way to address moral dilemmas, guiding developers and users in responsible AI usage. Engaging a wide range of stakeholders, from ethicists to the end users impacted by AI systems, enriches the development process with diverse perspectives, making the systems more equitable and effective. Lastly, continuous monitoring of AI applications is crucial. Regular audits and updates ensure that AI systems remain compliant with ethical standards and are responsive to new insights and challenges. Addressing these ethical issues is not just about preventing harm, but about steering AI development in a direction that maximizes societal benefit. It's about ensuring that AI technology, as it evolves, remains a force for good, enhancing lives while upholding our values. Thank you for joining today's insightful decision on ethical considerations in AI. Join me in the next lesson as we explore the career opportunities that AI is creating in the modern world. So, let's go to the next lesson.